Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So Valentine's Day is approaching us, so I thought it's gonna be a perfect time to do a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. So I really hope you're going to like it, and let's get started. Firstly, I always moisturize my skin, and you guys can see I already have my eyebrows filled in. I am going to apply my Essence Stay All Day Concealer number 10 to my eyelids using my Zoeva concealer brush and blending it out with a wet beauty blender. For transition shade, I'm going to use this orange color from my Morphe palette using my new Morphe M502 brush. When I got the right shade, I'm going to use this warm brown from the same palette, and as I wanted to concentrate to my crease line, I'm only switching my brush for a smaller one to my Meshuda 524 brush. And to blend everything nicely, I'm going to use my Morphe G17 brush. It's very important to blend it well. When I am done with my crease, I'm going to use the same concealer and apply it all over to my eyelids. I do little strokes with my Anastasia Beverly Hills flat brush. And as I have hooded eyes, I have to put this line a bit higher so it gets more visible. I'm going to add a bit more brown to intensify the shade and blending it out with the same Morphe G17 brush. And my eyebrow is playing around. I'm going to set my eyelids with this beige color using my Ultra Shimmer palette and my flat Zoeva smudger brush. I'm going to use this white pencil from Natasha Denova right underneath to my crease line. You will see later on why have I used this white pencil. Then I'm going to take my Pro Fusion Mix Metals eye palette and I'm going to use this beautiful purple called Showstopper. I'm going to press it to my middle part of my eyelids. But as you can see, I'm not going to apply it all over to my eyelids. I'm going to leave out a little stroke, so it will give you a very special effect. And you would need to use a flat brush for this step. Personally, I'm using my Zoeva smudger brush. This palette is so amazing and it was like around £5. To my inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to use this light pink from my Ultra Shimmer palette. I'm going to use this dark purple to my outer corner of my eyes. I had to intensify the white pencil line. For blending, I'm going to use my Zoeva Luxe Crease brush, but only gently pressing it. When I am done with my crease, I'm going to use my Bonjour Concealer number 1 to underneath my eyes and blend it out with a wet beauty blender. I'm going to use the same colors for underneath my eyelids. I added some dark gray to my outer corner of my eyes. I'm going to apply these two colors, Angelic and Mousse, right underneath my eyebrows. For foundation, I'm going to use Eve Lom No. 9 Honey. Apply it with a foundation brush and blend it out with a wet beauty blender. I am setting underneath my eyes with my Yves Saint Laurent compact powder. For blush, I'm using my Yves Saint Laurent Radiant Blush No. 6 and applying it with my Estee Lauder powder brush. For highlighter, I'm going to use Mousse from my Profusion palette. For mascara, I'm using Volume Reveal from Bonjour, and for lashes I used Ardell No. 103. You won't really notice the lashes because my natural lashes are much longer than these. For lip liner, I'm going to use Sugar and Spice from Gerard Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite lip liner as it's really creamy and the color is beautiful. To give some extra shine, I used my Pink Essence lip gloss. I have decided to spice up the lower lash line with some glitter from Bird, and I used my flat Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. So this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it and see you soon.